Welcome to our YouTube video on how to disable all notifications on Discord. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps on how to turn off notifications for Discord on your Android phone. Step 1. Open your Android phone's settings. This can usually be found by swiping down from the top of the screen and selecting the gear icon. Step 2. Navigate to Apps. Scroll down until you find the Apps or Applications section in your settings. Step 3. Find and select Discord from the list of installed apps. You may need to scroll through the list to locate Discord. Step 4. Tap on Notifications. Once you have selected Discord, you will see a list of options including notifications. Tap on Notifications to access the notification settings for Discord. Step 5. Turn off the toggle for Show Notifications. In the notification settings for Discord, you will see a toggle switch for Show Notifications. Simply tap on the toggle to turn off notifications for Discord. And that's it. You have successfully disabled all notifications for Discord on your Android phone. This can be helpful if you find the notifications to be distracting, or if you simply want to take a break from Discord notifications. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to disable all notifications on Discord. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy Discording!